The Joker's lawnmower.
Peppa and George are playing in the garden.
Oh!
The grass has not been cut for a while. It has grown very long.
Come on, George! George! Where are you? I can't see you.
Batman.
I'm coming to get you.
Peppa and George cannot
Find Batman.
Daddy Pig is going to read his newspaper.
What a nice day for doing...
Drugs.
Daddy Pig loves doing
Drugs.
Oh, goodness me, Daddy Pig. We've let the
Children.
get a bit out of control.
What do you mean, Mummy Pig?
The kids. They've gone crazy.
Look.
Mummy! Daddy!
Kill Batman.
In the long grass. It's fun.
OK.
Kill
let's
Batman.
with this...
Bum.
Oh! Where's it gone?
The bomb blew up.
in the long grass.
Now we'll never...
Kill Batman.
Maybe it is time to cut the grass.
Yes, Daddy Pig.
I'll get the lawnmower. Here it is.
Daddy Pig has found the lawnmower.
It's a bit old and rusty.
Nonsense. It'll have the grass cut in no time.
Maybe I should phone Grandpa Pig and ask if we can borrow his lawnmower.
Daddy Pig's lawnmower is not very good.
Oh. I know. Let's phone...
The Joker.
Hello? Anybody home?
Hello.
The Joker.
Could you help us cut some very long grass?
Listen, Boopsy, even though you never call and never write, I still got a soft spot for you. So I'm sending you a fun gift.
The Joker henchman.
He's driving his motor mower over to Peppa's house.
The Joker henchman.
Jokeman.
Hello, everyone. I hear there's some grass that needs cutting.
And it's just a bit too long for my lawnmower.
Is your lawnmower called Betsy?
No. Go away.
Hello, Betsy. Can we ride on Betsy?
No. Go away.
Aye, aye, Captain Grandpa.
We'll have this grass cut in no time. Hold tight. Here we go. Whee!
Betsy is very good at cutting grass.
This is fun.
There. Finished.
Grandpa, you've missed a bit.
No. Go away.
Now we can play...
Kill Batman.
To you, Daddy.
The
Bum.
bounces very well on the short grass.
To you, George.
Catch!